All right, all right, all right. It's the end of the day, 4:04, and let's just take a look at what we got. I wouldn't really call this a hammer. Hammer's got to be at the bottom of a move down. This is an indecisive doji, if you ask me, and you can understand that. Nobody knows what the Feds are going to do. We held below the 8-day moving average, which would encourage me to think that we have another downside move. We may test the low tomorrow and then turn around. I don't think things are bloody. I mean, I guess they could get bloody if there's some surprises, but I'm thinking that everything's priced in. So maybe an inside bar all day until we hear the announcements. That's really what I expect. But we did come down and close that gap nicely. We stayed above the 50-day. What more can we ask? I guess we could ask a little more, but it's a good time to start chipping away at stuff. You know what? I don't think tech is going to get too rocked over the next year. I don't think gains are going to be incredible, but I really don't see the Fed having to be too aggressive. I think that the supply chain is going to open up. The prices are going to stabilize, and they're going to rethink how aggressively they're going to raise interest rates. I think that they're going to end the tapering program because that was an emergency action because we had to shut down the economy. I mean, we don't need those funds anymore, or that process anymore. And you know what? 2.5% on the interest rate, on the Fed funds rate, really not a problem. I think that's where it should be. That would be normal. So I don't see a lot of drama. And I don't think that we've had the benefit of the reopen 100% yet. And I think that we still have a strong economy ahead of us. I'm not too worried, even despite the fact that we have Biden kicking around. So today the 10-year moved up a little bit, nothing too aggressive. The VIX moved up and nothing too aggressive. We don't see a lot of fear out there. So, just keep chipping away on some good growth companies. I like Chevron. I still like Costco. I think you can get it good and cheap here. Bank of America is holding up very nicely. I like that. I like NVIDIA. And PPLT, I keep forgetting what the ETF is called. Aberdeen Physical Platinum. I think that's a good move. Once the car industry starts rock and rolling, I think that one's going to appreciate. And these are all long-term suggestions. And then obviously TBT, because interest rates are going to go up. Interest rates go up, bond prices go down. TBTs are short on bonds. So that's a good one. That's a good one right there. So anyway, I hope everybody did well in the market. Remember, stay calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.